Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we're diving into one of the best motorcycle phone mounts on the market, the Rokform Motorcycle Phone Perch Mount. If you're a rider looking for a reliable way to keep your phone secure while cruising, this might just be the perfect solution. Let's jump right into it. The Rokform Motorcycle Phone Perch Mount stands out with its robust construction and innovative design. Made from CNC machined 6061 T6 military-grade aluminum, this mount is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and provide maximum security for your device. Installing the mount is straightforward and hassle-free, taking just a few minutes. It's compatible with most Harleys, Metrics, and Indian cruisers, accommodating handlebar spacings between 37mm to 42mm or 1.45 to 1.65. What really sets this mount apart is its quad-tab twist lock system, combined with a strong magnet, ensuring your phone stays firmly in place even during bumpy rides. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, your phone remains securely mounted with adjustable tilt from -20 to +55 degrees. Speaking of compatibility, the Rokform mount works seamlessly with all Rokform mountable phone cases, including the Rugged Series, Crystal Slim Series, and Fusion Pro Series cases. If you don't have a Rokform case, fret not, you can use the universal adapter for other smartphone models. Built for durability, this mount is crafted with stainless steel hardware and offers a reassuring 2-year warranty. Rokform stands behind their products with excellent customer support, ensuring peace of mind for every rider. Users rave about the ease of use and the confidence it gives when riding. Whether you're checking GPS directions, managing calls, or capturing photos on the go, the Rokform mount keeps your phone accessible and secure, without compromising safety. Another plus is the sleek design that blends seamlessly with your bike's aesthetics. It's not just a practical accessory, it adds a touch of style to your ride. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a motorcycle phone mount that combines rugged construction, secure mounting, and ease of use, look no further than the Rokform Motorcycle Phone Perch Mount. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and where to purchase. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Until next time, ride safe.